徛台湾看世界，来看美国南加州一间长老教会，当地时间15号发生着枪击案，1个死，5个人受伤，伤亡的拢是台湾的侨民。死者是52岁郑达志医师，讲伊当时冲向着凶手，要阻止对方开枪，结果互对方开枪弹死。那这个凶手是住伫个拉斯维加斯，今年68岁，叫做周文伟。这个人是中国的移民。加州的警方讲，伊行凶的动机是对台湾社群的仇恨，嘛对最近这几年来两花紧张的局势有关系。总统蔡英文是谴责暴力，嘛对郑医师的罹难表示哀悼。
I have been living here more than 30 years, and I feel very comfortable and very friendly city, everything very convenient, but yesterday was a big shock for me.
美国加州俄湾台湾基督长老教会15号发生枪击案，住伫附近城市的居民拢唔敢相信，这件枪击案死伤者拢是台湾的侨民。在地警方公布，死者是住伫拉古纳尼古尔市的52岁医生郑达志。
That Dr. Chang is a hero in this incident.
郑医生伫台湾出世，机会带爸母刷去美国住，伫加州橘郡开业。有一个后生，一个查囝。用根据目击者的讲法，讲郑医生当时的举动是嫌犯方压制关键。
It is known that Dr. Chang charged the individual, the suspect, attempted to disarm him, which allowed other parishioners to then intercede, taking the suspect into custody.
郑医生随后嫌犯的枪支弹着，不过伫现场的张牧师骹手真溜俩，趁这个空隙来出手。
And after the gunman started shooting, he was reloading his gun, and that was an opportunity for the pastor to strike him with a chair, and everybody else tackled him.
嫌犯当场互教友用烟灯线绑起来，着穿的郑医师煞重伤过身，不过嘛替其他人争取时间，避免更侪伤亡。捌互郑医生照顾的 NFL 克利夫兰布朗队后卫史丹顿，知影医生过身嘛伫推特发文章，讲郑医生是英雄，会互大家怀念。主洛杉矶办事处嘛讲，嫌犯的身份是68岁周文伟，是伫台湾出世的移民。外交部嘛严正谴责这个暴力事件，不过对嫌犯的身份和背景无加做说明。
有关于本案凶手的身份，还有他的行凶的动机，由于美国的检调单位仍然目前在调查当中。外交部我们谴责任何形式的一个暴力行为。
加州警方讲，周文伟住伫拉斯维加斯，伊互指控1项谋杀和5项谋杀未遂罪。警方指出，随后伫现场阁发现伊有传其他武器。
We located several bags within the facility. They contained magazines with additional ammo, 4 Molotov cocktail-like incendiary devices that he had placed around the inside of the church.
警方嘛指出，伊杀人的动机和政治有关。
Based on preliminary information in the investigation, it is believed the suspect involved was upset about political tensions between China and Taiwan.
That's so sad because all Asia, I'm Japanese. That the hate is gonna causing other hate, and they have to stop.
枪击案冲击在地亚裔社群，嘛考验美国拜登政府安怎处理枪击泛滥的问题。这件比较感觉会有后续的效应，要需要观察。
想要获取更多新闻资讯，想要看到主播最新的动态，赶快订阅华视 YouTube 频道。